Tutti Frutti is the name of this collection from my mind's eye, and it has a couple of special things with it. Well, to begin with, we're going to look at the paper pack, and the paper pack has 6 papers. They're 12 by 12, and I think you can see there's a surprise of some foiling on many of the sheets. So there you go. They are a nice weight of paper. They are all double-sided. And as you can see, the first one, this is really a step into tropical colors and summertime, as you can see with that stripe. Also, I want to call your attention to the strips at the bottom. Now, they run about 8 3/4 inches long, but you can see all of those ice creams and popsicles. So I recommend that's going to make a nice border on your card or your scrapbook page around a photograph or however you want to do it. Now, the back side is, wow, all of those images, a little bit larger, but still a really nice size. Now, again, more foiling on this one, and it's got a strip of polka dots, and then on the back side we've got the polka dots also. So that little strip is a preview to what's going on the other side, but it's nice to have that as maybe another element to add. We've got this. Now, this does not have any foiling on it on this side or on this side, nor does this one. So 4 of the sheets have the foiling, and you can see now, let me also, in all of their paper packs, they have a set of stickers, and this is 42 of them, and they too have some foiling, just some touches of it, and just a nice way to have all of the embellishments. So it's 1 each of the 6 papers plus the 42 stickers. Well, that's really handy. In addition, my mind's eye has these mixed bags. Now, the mixed bags are die cuts that are just a variety, and these too have some foiling on them. So as you can see, they have some fun things going on. You can see the sunglasses and the sticks of the popsicles. So very fun. There are 66 pieces here. How might you use them, you might be saying? Well, let me bring in a card, and you can see now this is a 5.5 inch square card, and you can see that the paper on the background doing the die cuts as the ribbons coming down. You'd see that foiling right there. In fact, you see the foiling in several areas here, and a little sparklets has been added for accent, so that's all right there. Say, what is the question? Well, hello is the answer. And if you're ready for a tropical, fun scrapbook page, we have it right here. So you can see that background with those big ferns. And then also the die cuts do a nice job of bringing them in. We've got a fun drink. You've got the numbers to do the year as you want to do that. This is that fun little one that I showed you, that die cut with the foiling. And you can see how the photos just really have a nice way around them of interconnecting everything together. So 1, 2, 3, 4 photos on this page, and I love those sunglasses. That just adds a really nice look. So this is Tutti Frutti is the name of this collection, and it's perfect as we move into summer or just thoughts of summer.